Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda 3.0 V6 J30 engine is a part of Honda's J-Series family of V6 engines, which debuted in 1996 with the Acura 3.0 CL. Unlike earlier Honda V6s, the J-Series was specifically designed for transverse mounting, with a compact 60 degrees V-angle for better packaging. The J30 engines are generally SOHC, single overhead camshaft, designs with VTEC variable valve timing. The later performance and hybrid versions, like the J30AC, introduced DOHC and VTC. Review and opinions. The J30 engine is often praised for its smoothness, refinement, and reasonable power delivery for its class. It's a workhorse V6 that powered many popular Honda and Acura vehicles, providing a more premium and powerful option compared to their four-cylinder counterparts. Character. Known for being exceptionally smooth and quiet, characteristic of Honda's V6 engines. It provides effortless acceleration and a refined cruising experience. Performance. Early J30 A1 versions produced around 210 horsepower and 200 lb-ft of torque. Later iterations, like the J30A4/A5, boosted output to 242 to 244 horsepower and 211 to 212 lb-ft, featuring a more advanced three-way VTEC system and improved exhaust manifolds. The modern J30AC, a turbocharged DOHC variant, in the Acura TLX Type S, delivers a substantial 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque, showcasing the engine's evolution. Driving experience. The J30 offers a very linear power delivery, typical of naturally aspirated Hondas, though with more torque available lower down than a comparable four-cylinder. It provides confident passing power and a pleasant sound, especially in the upper RPMs. Refinement, a strong point. The 60 degrees V-angle and sophisticated engine mounts contribute to very low NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness, making for a comfortable ride. Advantages: smoothness and refinement. One of the most significant advantages. The 60 degrees V6 design inherently provides good balance, and Honda's engineering makes it exceptionally smooth. Reliability and durability. Generally considered very reliable, capable of high mileage, 200,000 plus miles, with proper maintenance. Owners frequently report long lifespans for these engines. Accessible power and torque provides strong and readily available power, particularly in the mid-range, making it well-suited for daily driving and highway cruising. Fuel efficiency. For a V6 of its era, while not as efficient as modern turbocharged four-cylinders or hybrids, for a naturally aspirated V6, the J30 offered decent fuel economy for its time. Later versions with variable cylinder management, VCM, aim to improve this further. Compact design. Designed for transverse mounting, its compact size, shorter bore spacing, smaller crankshaft, allows for easier integration into front-wheel drive platforms. Single timing belt. Simpler than some dual overhead cam designs that might require multiple belts/chains. Disadvantages. Timing belt replacement. Unlike engines with timing chains, the J30 uses a timing belt, which requires periodic replacement, typically every 7 years or 60,000 to 105,000 miles, depending on the specific model and year. This is a significant maintenance cost, as is an involved job often combined with water pump replacement. Variable cylinder management, VCM, issues, specific variants, some J30 variants, and other J-Series engines equipped with VCM have been known to experience issues. VCM attempts to improve fuel economy by deactivating cylinders under light load, but this can sometimes lead to excessive oil consumption, fouled spark plugs, misfires, and premature wear on piston rings in some cases. Honda issued service bulletins and extended warranties for some of these issues. Not all J30s had VCM. Automatic transmission issues. Early models, it's important to note that some automatic transmissions paired with earlier J-Series engines, including some J30 applications, particularly in the late 1990s and early 2000s, were known to have reliability issues. This is a transmission problem, not an engine problem, but it impacted the perceived reliability of the powertrain as a whole. Less tuning potential, naturally aspirated while generally robust. Naturally aspirated J30s don't have the same aftermarket tuning potential for massive horsepower gains as the K-Series engines without significant forced induction modifications. The modern turbocharged J30 AC changes this dramatically. Faults and breakdowns. The J30 is largely robust, but like any engine, it has some common issues, particularly with age and mileage. Timing belt failure. If the timing belt isn't replaced on schedule, it can break, leading to severe engine damage, bent valves, piston damage, as most J30 engines are interference engines. VCM-related problems. Excessive oil consumption, a common symptom of VCM issues. Misfires/rough idle. Due to fouled spark plugs on the cylinders, they're deactivated by VCM. Check engine light. CL, often triggered by misfires. Power steering pump leaks/noise. Some models with the J30 experienced issues with the power steering pump or hoses leaking or becoming noisy. Valve cover gasket leaks, common with age, leading to oil leaks. Starter motor failure can occur with high mileage. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption for the J30 varies based on the vehicle, year, transmission, and whether it has VCM. Typically around 10 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers, 20 to 24 mpg US/24 to 28 mpg Imperial combined. Timing. The Honda 3.0 V6 J30 engine uses a timing belt to synchronize the crankshaft and camshafts. This belt is crucial, and its failure can cause extensive engine damage, bent valves. Replacement interval. The recommended replacement interval for the timing belt on J30 engines is typically 7 years or 60,000 to 105,000 miles, 100,000 to 170,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. It's highly recommended to replace the water pump, timing belt tensioner, and idler pulleys at the same time, as they're often accessed during the timing belt service and share a similar lifespan. Oil. Oil type. Honda generally recommends 5W 20 or 5W30 full synthetic engine oil for most J30 engines, meeting API-SN or later specifications. For later direct injected or turbocharged versions like the J30 AC, specific recommendations, e.g. 0W20 with LSBI protection, would apply. Always refer to the specific vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommendation. Capacity. The oil capacity for J30 engines typically ranges from 4.3 to 4.5 liters, approximately 4.5 to 4.8 US quarts, with a filter change. Maintenance. Regular oil changes are vital, especially to prevent wear on the timing belt components, like the tensioner, and to manage potential VCM-related oil consumption issues in equipped vehicles. Versions and history. The J-Series V6 engine family was developed by Honda of America Manufacturing, HAM, and debuted in 1996. The J30 was one of its first and most prominent members. Key design features, common to most J-Series. 60 degrees V-angle. Compact design for transverse mounting. SOHC 24 valve. Single overhead camshafts per bank, with 4 valves per cylinder. VTEC. Variable valve timing and lift electronic control system. Various iterations from 2-stage to 3-stage. Aluminum block and heads. Lightweight construction. Variable cylinder management. VCM introduced on some later J30 and other J-Series variants to improve fuel economy by deactivating cylinders. Direct injection. Featured in later Earth Dreams technology versions. Turbocharging. Introduced in the latest J30 AC variant. Notable J30 variants and applications. J30A1, 1997 to 2003, the original 3.0 LV6. Used in the Acura 3.0 CL, 1997 to 1999, Honda Odyssey, some markets, Honda Accord V6, 1998 to 2002. produced 200 to 210 horsepower. J30A4 2003 to 2005 significant revisions, including a 3-way VTEC system and integrated exhaust manifold. Found in the Honda Accord V6 2003 to 2005, produced 240 to 242 horsepower. J30A5 2006 to 2007 minor refinements over the A4. Used in the Honda Accord V6 2006 to 2007, produced 244 horsepower. JNA1 2005 to 2007 hybrid variant used in the Honda Accord Hybrid. J30Y1 2013 to 2018 hybrid variant used in Acura MDX Sport Hybrid, US, and Acura RDX, China. Paired with electric motors for a combined output of over 320 horsepower. J30AC 2021 present, the most recent and significant evolution. A turbocharged DOHC version used in the Acura TLX Type S and Acura MDX Type S. Produces 355 horsepower. The Honda J30 V6 engine has had a long and varied career, evolving from a smooth, refined, naturally aspirated workhorse to a potent, turbocharged performer. Its reputation for reliability, coupled with its smooth power delivery, has made it a popular choice for many Honda and Acura vehicles over the years. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.